Our multifunction kitchen sink and kitchen mixer with matte gold that is also available in gunmetal and chrome finishing. The kitchen sink and mixer have an elegant design that can swivel left and right, providing flexibility and convenience in using the sink. There is a slim platform on the right side of the sink where you can place soaped utensils for rinsing without having them mix with the dirty water in the sink. This helps keep the washing process more hygienic. The kitchen mixer has a twist mode that allows you to switch to a shower function, providing a wider stream of flowing water at a wider angle. This is useful for various kitchen tasks. The mixer has a pull-out function, which is handy for cleaning hard-to-reach places. There is a pressure control button located at the top of the tap, allowing you to increase the water pressure when needed. The kitchen sink comes with a sponge tray, providing a designated place to store sponges. This helps keep your kitchen organized and clean. And the foldable sushi tray is a unique feature that makes food preparation easier. By using the tray over the sink, any excess water, food scraps, or mess generated during food prep can be easily washed away down the drain, ensuring a clean and hygienic food preparation area. The sink also includes a large waste basket, making it easy to dispose of waste all at once. This is a convenient feature for maintaining a tidy kitchen.